There we go. The ugly duckling. A little reinforcement on the bottom there, extra strip all the way across. See here across here, and there's one across here. Full sheet here, wrapped on the front. And got the mount here. Got our FPV camera tucked away inside there. Sort of looks like the Parrot AR drone, sort of like a dumpster version of the Parrot AR drone. But my whole idea of doing this was to use as much material as I could, carbon fiber at least. And you can see a little bit of the blue Kevlar in there still. But was to see what the weight is of the whole frame. So now I'm going to make a mold, or a body master that I can mold that will be clean in dimensions and everything. Got a little bit of issues with this one. So these are the 2-cell Emax motors, 7 to 9 volt, but I'm putting through 3-cell and it has no problem. 5 to 6 inch props recommended on 2-cell, so you should probably turn 6 or 7s with these, but for this setup I'm going to just use it this way. And it's right about 520 with the battery, with the small battery about 595, but huge increase in time for flying just with that little bit of weight drop down, about 50-60 grams to be honest, I guess. And overall lighter than the HB mini frame, but then again the HB mini frame is made for more 300 to 450 size, because it does have the clamps and stuff, and the frame itself is about 180 or 170. So this frame is 110 grams with the wires for the power distribution, which is pretty amazing actually. So I want to get it down to 80 grams. So today I'll be cutting some foam and figuring out the layout for a true 250 mini in carbon fiber with 1 or 2 layers of carbon fiber fabric. Since most of the plates of carbon fiber have 7 to 10 sometimes pieces of fabric just to make a 2mm or 3mm sheet, this is quite lightweight as compared to some of the frames that are cut. But again, this is just personal for me and experimenting with different techniques. And there's the front view. I put foam on the bottom so that it lands nicely. A little bit of a warning from Aleppo on there. There you go, HB composite 3-day mini quad build.